Okay, we're taking a look at the BS today, and I ran out of couplers, so we're going to put two 45s together and go through the wall to connect to the vertical vent stack. Normally I wouldn't want to do this part. I just want to go straight, but we don't want to go buy any more couplers, so we're just going to use this. They don't want you gluing this piece on because, in case you have to remove the toilet. So I think we're just going to do probably a bead of silicone. I'm going to put it on here. It'll be semi-removable, I suppose. But I'm going to try and pull it up a little bit like this to get just a tad bit of angle on it. Because the manual wants you to come out at a 45. Well, that's stupid. We're not going to do that. We're going to come out horizontal, go straight through this wall. But I'm going to try and put a little bit of angle on it, just so that if there is condensation, it's going to go downhill. What we did, and we'll go to the other side of the wall. So this is the kitchen side. I ran the vertical, of course, when we did all the roughing. And we had a panel placed here, because I knew I was going to have to get at it. So you can see the vertical pipe. And this is all 2-inch thin wall, which is insane to me, but that's what we got. And our hole is going to come out right in here somewhere. I measured, it's about 29.5 on the center. And we're going to hug this stud right here. And then once I come through, I'm going to put this 45 on and connect it to that end. So it's going to be pretty short, actually. It's going to be a real short little piece. We're going to bring the sun monitor in as close as we can to the wall. We have to account for this plug. Now this plug is supposed to be GFCI. So in the kitchen here, we have a GFCI that we put in. And of course your line comes from your box. And then the load is everything after this GFCI. So on this GFCI, we have this plug here. And then we came off of here. I came off of here. And I went up to a switch. And then from the switch, I came down to this outlet. So the switch in the bathroom is going to run that outlet. And they say if you're going to be gone for a long period of time, to turn the fan off because it'll dry stuff out. They just want it sitting. And I don't remember what a long period of time is. It was like
3 days.
3 or more days.
Mm-hmm.
So we put a switch up there so that we didn't always have to bend down and try and unplug it. And the plug's going to be tight anyway because we're going to push the BS up as close to the wall as we can, enough to get that plug in there. Something we don't have, and we have to go get it. What is that thing called, honey? The safety pipe thing?
Yeah, so that it can...
Just in case it overflows?
Just in case the effluent overflows.
The pee-pee.
The pee.
The pee-pee. So that's over here. And it comes out this side here. And it's going to be, I think they said a 1-inch. You just pull this off. I don't know I guess I probably need to get a 90. And then I'll drill a hole straight down through the floor over there. And go across outside somewhere just in case we have that overflow issue. So anyway, this is the little setup we have. I got the hole drilled. This, you can see where the drywall is coming out a little bit. I couldn't find my hole saw, so I just used the tip of a screwdriver. And this represents where that stud is on the other side. And I got to stay just to the left of it. 2-inch hole, I think it is. I fitted it, made sure it fit. So I don't have any kind of collar that goes over this. I wish we did. I don't know if they make one. Maybe we'll look just to, like that white collar. Maybe we can find something like that to help doctor this up a little bit. But that's what we're doing. I don't think we're gonna make anything permanent today. I'll just get it kind of set. Got to go back and get that. But we're getting close to firing this thing up. We got all the stuff they sent, all the microbe this and compost that, and I think there's a bag of dirt somewhere. Or whatever that
Bag of
dirt. so that's we just kind of want to get this somewhat in place. We got almost all the floors done. We got basically
Just that
probably
left.
3 full rows, and then I'll have to rip a row. And our rip has been about 3 inches all the all the way through. So that'll be the last part there. All the rest of the floor is in. So we're gonna set the Sunmar today. I think we'll try and that almost killed me. We'll get the water softener over. We'll drag that over and maybe take a look at getting that stuff. We might even fire up the water heater today. We'll see how far we get. But we got to work on cabinets. We got to go help my buddy Paul on cabinets today. So anyway, that's what we're working on right now. Just kind of give a little bit of rundown. It's not going to be permanent, but we'll get stuff cut and set, and then I'll come back and glue later. So the BS. What can I say? I don't know what else to say. The BS. Love you, honey.
Love you, honey.